Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we will explore Trump Media and Technology Group in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 21st of March, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Utilize the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 18th of February, 2025, our system has classified Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.39. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has seen a decline of 30.72%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.28% since being designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases are likely. The present 3-month trend predicts a potential change of a negative 2.58% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 51.41% to negative 23.51%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of negative 23.93%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 83.84% to positive 89.80% in the upcoming year. In current terms, this would translate to a future price falling between $3.27 and $38.43. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Trump Media and Technology Group Corp stock price up 1.1% on Friday. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corp stock price experienced an increase of 1.1% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 21st of March, 2025. The stock rose from $20.03 to $20.25. During that trading session, the stock fluctuated by 3.67%, with a low of $19.63 and a high of $20.35. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has seen a decline of 10%. Additionally, the trading volume decreased by 175,000 shares, with a total of 2 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $49.66 million. It's important to note that a decrease in volume during price increases may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $79.38, while the lowest price stood at $11.75. Currently, the stock price is 74.49%, or $59.13, below the 52-week high of $79.38, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation, traded under the ticker symbol DJT, has made significant updates recently that could influence its stock performance. On the 19th of March, the company successfully launched the Truth+ streaming application on Roku televisions, expanding its accessibility and potential user base. This move aligns with the increasing demand for diverse streaming options and could enhance revenue if adoption rates are favorable. Additionally, voting has commenced for the company's annual meeting, a critical moment for shareholders that can affect future strategic direction. The sentiment surrounding this vote may impact short-term stock volatility as investor confidence responds to governance changes and new initiatives. On the technology front, Truth Social has introduced improvements to its Groups feature, enhancing user engagement and security. These upgrades are essential as they can increase user retention, which is vital for long-term profitability. However, DJT has encountered challenges in recent months, with notable declines in stock value, including a drop of over 11% reported earlier this month. This downturn indicates a potential loss of investor confidence and market interest, which may worsen if negative trends persist. The stock's recent highs and lows appear linked to broader political sentiments and market conditions. An analysis suggests that immediate investor sentiment may depend on the company's ability to leverage new products and the outcomes of governance discussions, while long-term viability will rely on sustained user growth and effective market engagement strategies. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Trump Media and Technology Group's stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book value as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also give the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, March 13, 2025, and so far it has risen by 5.63%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, which creates a divergence between volume and price, potentially serving as an early warning. Thus, the stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $25.36. If the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $20.13. A breakout above the long-term average will provide another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will generate an additional sell signal, further strengthening the overall signal. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 7 days ago. Bollinger also indicated a buy signal 20 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average suggested a sell signal 44 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages pointed to a buy signal 40 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 44 days ago. The long-term moving average suggested a sell signal 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 24 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation identifies support from accumulated volume at $20.07. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movements throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Given the broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 72 cents between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 3.67%. Additionally, for the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 4.60%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can encounter downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $20.59. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $20.07. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from various analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 11th of March in 2025, Eric Swider executed an insider sale of 5,000 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 12th of March in 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 10,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 10th of March in 2025, Philip Juhan carried out an insider sale of 11,805 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 10th of March in 2025, Philip Juhan also conducted an insider sale of 8,954 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the same day, Philip Juhan executed an insider sale of 300 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Based on the 55 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of approximately 22.775. Overall, insiders acquired 226,179,920 shares and sold 115,754,142 shares in these last 55 trades. Our assessment for this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation exhibits several negative indicators, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Hence, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, March 24th, we anticipate that Trump Media and Technology Group will open lower by approximately 17 cents, starting at $20.08. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.